I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming versions because mismatch is the most common cause. Check the app and plugin API numbers, then make a quick backup of your config and project folder so you can roll back. Once done, open the app settings and enable plugin or developer mode. Many systems block unsupported plugins by default. If a compatibility toggle appears, flip it to allow legacy plugins temporarily. This begins the diagnosis without risking your main project. Now you resolve compatibility. Either update the plugin to the app's API or downgrade the plugin if it requires an older host. If source is available, replace deprecated function calls or install a compatibility shim that maps old APIs to the new ones. Make sure to test changes in a clean environment or sandbox to isolate interfering extensions. While testing, watch logs for precise error messages and line numbers. Those clues guide targeted edits instead of guesswork, saving you time. Finish by reinstalling the corrected plugin and fully restarting the host so all components reload. Verify functionality and run through a common use case to confirm stability. If issues persist, enable verbose logging and inspect error entries for missing symbols or permission denials, which reveal the root cause. Make sure to keep your backup handy. If the fix breaks something, revert and document exact error text and steps you tried so you can seek targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.